Alright, so today we're going to be speed running this thing here. So, let's go. See if I can hit one of the ones that's up there. Alright, can't figure that one out yet. Ow. Damn it. Oh god, can I stand back here? Alright, okay. Let's see. That one's empty. That's open now. Right, get off. Okay, I'll put this one into there. Get that one on something. Oh, it's gonna make it hard on me, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, I think I saw. I think that this is that one there, so we're gonna leave that. Here we go. There we go. Okay, that's good. Oh dang, I need more circles. Another one, okay. I'm gonna fill them all up here. Speed run. Darn. Let's go, got two of them. I'm trying to go for the ones that I can see. Just get those out of the way. There we go. They need to fix this animation, I swear. Like, even on the ones where it's level, it's messed up. That's loaded. That's not loaded. There we go, okay. So I got all the ones we can see. Now I need to mess with the ones that I can't see. Okay, what are you? Let's look what we got here. Look at that weird one. Let's go for that. You get that. Ow. We don't have that one, I know that. Nor that. We might have that, so I'm gonna leave that there. What controls that one? Oh yeah, this. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got that. This one requires one, so I'm thinking, yeah, here we go, I need to break that out. Oh yeah, if you have a chance to read all of these, like there's a bunch of these that you can read them. Pretty good. Pretty cool stuff, I'd say. Okay, I know that's one of them. So that one that I just got there, I believe, is where's the thing? is that one there. That one. Times the rest of these are wrong, so let's see. There we go. See all the rewards you get from that though? Plus this has a really high chance to drop into parts. So yeah, there you go. Goodbye.